Hello and welcome to another video of Skolera training videos. In our video today, we're going to look at what happens once we get inside the class. So far, we've been talking about the course level. Now, to get into our class, we need to select the subject or the course that we want to visit. We'll go to the subject, and in overview, we'll have a list of the classes that we teach. If I teach more than one class, I should find all my classes listed here. I can click on one of the classes, and that will take me inside the class page. In the class page, I still have the overview, the content, assignments and quizzes, the grades, attendance, behavior notes, posts, virtual classes, students, and the weekly plans. On top of that, we also have the average student performance, which displays an average of the student attendance records, the student grades and quizzes, and the student grades and assignments. Below that, we have the course schedule. This is where it will list, based on what we've entered in the course planner, the different lessons that are planned for each week, and they will be shown right in here. On the side, we also have these two buttons. One of them is to view the class performance. Once we enter grades, we can actually come with an analysis of the class performance, the student performance of the class, plus the class policy. When we click on the class policy, we can start entering the class policy right up here. Things like we shouldn't eat in class, we shouldn't use mobiles in class, whatever these policies are. As a good practice, I would usually suggest to actually get the students to write out the policy themselves so that they would be more eager to actually follow their own policies and their own rules rather than not. Then underneath it, you have the Hall of Fame, where you can add up to 5 students at a time into the Hall of Fame. You can add the students right there, but you're only limited to a maximum of 5 students in the Hall of Fame. Below that, you have the list of students inside the class with all the names, and of course, if they've added the photos and pictures, you will see the photos and pictures as well. So this is basically our landing page. We notice that if I teach more than one class, you can actually switch classes from up here. Okay, you can select which class you want to go to. You can always return to the course page by clicking back on the course itself. Remember that creating content, assignments, quizzes, and posts, creating, editing, or deleting is done from the course level. However, when I come to things related to the names of students, particular lists of students, like entering grades, behavior notes, attendance records, all of these things, or even to send them messages and communicate with them, we have to go inside the class. You can always tell the difference whether you're inside the class or you're in the course level with the number of icons. In the class icons, you will see the grades, the attendance, behavior, the student list, and the weekly plans. Whereas in the course icon or the course level, you don't see any of these. Okay. Now, this was the landing page of our course class, and in our future videos, we will be discussing each of these different parts inside the classroom. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you in our future videos.